Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 and I'll show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. So to start off, you can pull down the notification and you will have the Do Not Disturb. You can just toggle it from here, and when you hold it, it will take you to the settings where you can customize your own, for instance. So you can go into turn on automatically and add rule, click on time, and then for instance, I don't know, let's call it night. So when you're going to sleep, for instance, and you can set up which day of the week it's being affected in, and start time. So guess you can start at 10 and then end time when it turns off. It's basically 7. You can also change it to whatever you want. So let's say 5. And now minutes, let's put 30 for instance, and now whenever at 10 to 5:30 it will basically, all the phone calls and other stuff will be silent, and the Do Not Disturb mode will be active at that time. So let's go back, and yeah, so that's how you activate Do Not Disturb mode. Oops. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.